Welcome back. We're here for another video to help small and medium-sized businesses nail their core processes without wasting time. Our series is aimed to help you reach your goals without compromising quality or customer experience. Before we jump into it, I'm Olivia. We try and make these videos as clear and easy as possible, so feel free to rewatch as many times as needed. You can also find a transcript of everything I've said today in the description. Right, let's get to it. Unless you're an accountant, thinking about processing your accounts and doing tax returns and end-of-year procedures may make your stomach turn a little. To really evaluate how well your business is performing, getting your accounting right is vital. You may already be using a tool like Xero, or you may be figuring out your accounts in spreadsheets and manually entering them into HMRC when needed. Wherever you're at, we'll be dishing out some ideas to start implementing straight away. Before that, let's look at some stats. According to research from arbitrary.com, 90% of small and medium businesses will move their accounting and bookkeeping activities to the cloud by 2020. 40% of small businesses spend over 80 hours per year on taxes, with the same amount saying taxes and bookkeeping are the worst part of running a business. But how does this relate to your business? Well, that's where an integrated software solution can help you not only with the day-to-day, but your accounts too. The right system can provide you with compliance, overview, and real-time information to use in crucial business moments. Using a solution that has dedicated accounting functionality means everything about your business, from your stock to your selling, is linked. Having the right solution in place means being more confident when it comes to reporting on VAT. Of course, with the introduction of making tax digital comes the need for a system that supports all existing and upcoming legal regulations. Our own software makes it easy to submit VAT returns and keep your tax in order. In addition to VAT returns, there's also reporting to the EU in terms of how they handle their own sales. Multi-currency and multi-country support ensures that you can expand your operations whilst easily handling currency conversion rates and country-specific VAT. If you're selling to Europe, this is certainly something you might want to consider. Another powerful aspect of having an integrated accounting package as part of your system is the information that's automatically updated. For example, sales invoices update the accounts when fully processed, meaning that you don't have to. This means manual intervention and possible errors are kept to a minimum. Sales purchase ledger, otherwise known as SP ledger in chaos control, is used for entering all the non-stock items that you use to run your business, from your utility bills to your petty cash items. The system is flexible for your needs, allowing you to separate and report on the different costs associated with running your business. Reconciling your bank accounts is typically the most important thing you're going to do when it comes to your accounting. Everything needs to be accounted for to the penny. If you're using a system, you want to know what your business can and can't afford at any given time. Any mistakes, and you could end up spending money you don't have. Live accounting information can provide you with real-time debt analysis figures, an aspect of automation that can be invaluable for a business where you're taking large orders. As a business, you're going to want to know if your customers owe you money, are over their credit limits, or over their terms. Having a list of debtors, creditors, and periods in which overdue invoices fall can be key to controlling your business relationships and decisions. When you introduce automated debt management, everything becomes simplified. With a touch of a button, you can see who owes you money, how long they've owed the money, and whether or not this is repeated behaviour. Depending on the system, you're also able to keep people in different debt stages, whether that's customers who need a gentle nudge, or those who need more encouragement to pay their invoices. A system like our own can help you make informed decisions when it comes to how you're looking after your money. Setting out minimum profit goals monthly and yearly can help keep any business on track. Budgeting expenses and predicted sales helps you devise goals even when it's rough. This gives you something to aim for, as well as giving you and other staff members motivation to reach said goal. It can also help give some meaning to the figures, so you aren't just looking at your profit and wondering if the figure is good or bad in line with your business. In the beginning, a lot of small and medium businesses hit the spreadsheet straight away. That can be good if you don't rely on it too much. When it comes to accounting, every figure needs to be accurate down to the last penny. Unfortunately, with manual entry, there will always be a level of human error and a lot of time wasted looking over the same figures over and over to make sure they're accurate. Looking from the outside in, the financial health of a business needs to be clear and well documented. It's vital for every aspect of your business, from getting loans to reporting profits, for you to provide the most accurate information. Without accounting, you'll never know a completely accurate profit figure and would struggle to do simple things like draw up a budget, because all of the figures involved in the budget will be an estimate at best. In an automated system, you can ensure each sale and purchase transaction is updated in your accounts as you go. In our system, the trial balance is the hub of your accounting. All debits and credits balance, so you're guaranteed the most accurate accounts possible. Your P&L and balance sheet are dynamic tools that will help you manage your business on a daily basis. Accountants can offer a multitude of services for small businesses. These might include submitting VAT returns on your behalf, payroll and payslips, preparing annual company accounts, dealing with any correspondences with Companies House or HMRC, and much more. Although there's a number of things to work through, having a system in place can make the whole process seem a lot less daunting, bookkeeper or not. The most common issues we've encountered come out of a lack of knowledge about the importance of accounting. Some of the top issues are forgetting to record small transactions because they seemed insignificant, having poor communication with a bookkeeper, or even the handover of petty cash, which can waste both time and money for both parties, not reconciling bank accounts, which can cause issues when trying to track your financial business situation. If you're aware of these problems though, it's easier to avoid them. Just make sure you record everything. Don't forget, if you're in the market for an accounting software solution, check out Chaos Control Cloud. It supports your accounts as well as all your day-to-day processes and will help expand and grow your business. Click on the video now to read more. If not, I'll see you back here soon for another video.